Hey, Ryan, have you ever thought about how much education has changed over the years?
Hey, Emma. Definitely. I mean, we've gone from chalkboards and textbooks to smartboards and tablets. It's incredible. What's been the biggest change for you?
For me, it's online learning. I love that you can take courses from universities around the world without leaving your home. Have you tried any online classes?
Oh, yes. I took an online course on digital marketing last year. It was super convenient and I could study at my own pace. What about you?
I did a few online courses in graphic design. It was amazing to have access to so many resources and interact with people from different countries.
That's awesome. Here's a joke for you. Why was the math book sad?
Haha, I don't know. Why?
Because it had too many problems.
Good one, Ryan. Speaking of problems, do you think traditional schools still have a place in our tech-savvy world?
I think so. There's something irreplaceable about face-to-face interaction and hands-on learning. Plus, school is where you build friendships and social skills. What do you think?
I agree. While online learning is great, the social aspect of traditional schools is really important. Also, some subjects are just easier to grasp with a teacher right there to help you.
Exactly. And let's not forget the extracurricular activities. Sports, music, drama, they're all crucial for a well-rounded education.
So true. Did you have a favorite subject in school?
I loved history. Learning about different cultures and events was always fascinating to me. What about you?
I was a science geek. Chemistry and biology were my favorites. There's so much to discover about the world around us.
Science is fascinating. Do you think your favorite subjects in school influenced your career choice?
Definitely. My love for science led me to pursue a career in environmental science. How about you?
For sure. My interest in history and culture pushed me towards working in international relations. It's amazing how our early education can shape our futures.
Absolutely. And it's great to see how education is evolving to prepare students for modern careers. Have you noticed how coding has become a big part of school curriculums?
Yes, it's fantastic. Learning to code is like learning a new language. It opens up so many opportunities. Have you tried coding yourself?
A little bit. I took an introductory course and found it challenging but rewarding. It's like solving a complex puzzle.
Exactly. It's a skill that's becoming essential in so many fields. Speaking of essential skills, do you think soft skills are getting enough attention in education?
I think they're starting to. Communication, teamwork, and problem solving are just as important as academic knowledge. Have you taken any courses to improve your soft skills?
Yes, I took a leadership workshop last year. It was really enlightening and helped me a lot in my job. What about you?
I did a course on emotional intelligence. It was eye-opening to understand how to manage emotions and build better relationships.
That's great. Emotional intelligence is so important, especially in today's fast-paced world. It's amazing how education isn't just about facts and figures anymore.
Definitely. It's about developing the whole person. And with all the resources available today, anyone can keep learning and growing at any age.
So true. Lifelong learning is the way to go. What's next on your learning list?
I'm thinking about learning a new language. Maybe Spanish or French. What about you?
I want to dive deeper into AI and machine learning. It's such a rapidly growing field with endless possibilities.
That sounds exciting. Here's to our next learning adventures.
Cheers to that, Emma. Can't wait to see where our curiosity takes us.
Me neither, Ryan. Talk soon and happy learning.
Happy learning, Emma. Talk soon.
You know, Ryan, this conversation has made me realize how much there is to learn out there. It's exciting, but also a bit overwhelming.
I totally get that, Emma. There's so much information available, but I think it's all about finding what you're passionate about and diving into that.
Exactly. And I think it's also important to stay curious and open-minded. You never know where your next interest might come from.
Absolutely. Have you ever thought about learning something completely outside your field, just for fun?
Actually, yes. I've always wanted to learn how to play a musical instrument. Maybe the guitar. It seems like such a great way to relax and express creativity. How about you?
That's a great idea. I've been thinking about taking up painting. I've always admired artists and would love to give it a try myself.
That sounds wonderful. It's amazing how many ways there are to expand our minds and skills. Do you think technology will continue to play a big role in education?
Definitely. With advancements like virtual reality and AI, the possibilities are endless. Imagine learning history by virtually visiting ancient civilizations or practicing surgery in a simulated environment.
That would be incredible. It really makes you excited for the future of learning. And it's great that we can use technology to make education more accessible to everyone.
Exactly. It's all about breaking down barriers and giving everyone the opportunity to learn and grow. So, what's your next learning goal?
I think I'll start with those guitar lessons. And maybe take a cooking class for fun. How about you?
I'll look into that painting class and maybe sign up for a course on AI. It's going to be an exciting journey.
It sure is. Here's to continuous learning and all the adventures it brings.
Cheers to that, Emma. I'm looking forward to our next conversation and sharing what we've learned.
Me too, Ryan. Until then, happy learning.
Happy learning, Emma. Talk soon.